Good morning. Thank you for calling the PCC restaurant. My name is Daniel Anthony. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to make a reservation for two.
Can I have your name, sir?
My name is Jan Pineda.
Okay, sir. When is your reservation?
It's for tomorrow evening at 7 p.m.
Right, sir. Can I have your mobile number, please?
The mobile number is 0966355113.
Okay, sir. Do you have any requirements for your reservation?
Can I have a table by the window?
Smoking or non-smoking area, sir?
Non-smoking area, please.
Thank you, Mr. Pineda. I will just clarify your reservation. A reservation for two. Time of your reservation is tomorrow at 7 p.m. Table by the window with non-smoking area. Is that alright, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. We reserve your table for two tomorrow evening by the window non-smoking area.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome to PCC Restaurant. My name is Daniel Anthony. How may I help you?
I have a reservation
Reservation for who, sir?
under the name of Jan Pineda.
Okay, sir. Can you please wait a moment? I will check your reservation. Okay, sir. Your reservation is confirmed. Please follow me to your table. This way, sir. Have a seat, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. Your server will be here shortly. Have a great evening.
Okay, thanks.